Hello students, welcome to solve Math Olympiad problem, which is 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 1 by 13. Then a plus b equal to what? Where a and b greater than 0. Let's see the solution. One by a plus 1 by b equal to 1 by 13. The LCM of a and b is a times b. So a times b divided by a, that means b. So b plus a times b divided by b, that means a. So a equal to 1 by 13. Now we cross multiply. So 13a plus 13b equal to a b. Now we write this equation, this from, so a times b minus 13a minus 13b equal to 0. Now we add 169 both sides. So ab minus 13a minus 13b plus 169 equal to 169. Now we take common a. So here b minus 13. Now we take common minus 13. So b minus plus minus 13 equal to 169. So now we take common b minus 13. So a minus 13 equal to 169. Since a and b greater than 0, so here we getting 3 cases. Case 1, b minus 13 is 13 and a minus 13 equal to 13. And b minus 13 equal to 1. Then a minus 13 equal to 169. If b minus 13 equal to 169, then a minus 13 equal to 1. So, case 1, b minus 13 equal to 13 and a minus 13 equal to 13. So, b equal to 13 plus 13. So, b equal to 26 and a equal to 13 plus 13. So, a equal to 26. Now, case 2. A minus 13 equal to 169 and b minus 13 equal to 1. So, a equal to 169 plus 13. So, a equal to 9 plus 3, 12, 6, 7, 8. So, 182. b equal to 1 plus 13 equal to 14. And case 3, a minus 13 equal to 1 and b minus 13 equal to 169. So, a equal to 1 plus 13 equal to 14 and b equal to 169 plus 13 equal to 182. We need the value of a plus b. So, this case a plus b equal to 26 plus 26. 6 plus 6, 12. In hand 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 5. So, a plus b equal to 52. And these two cases, a plus b equal to 182 plus 14. So 196. So final answer is A plus B equal to 52 or A plus B equal to 196. Thank you student for watching my video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Get more video, comment please.